Hello, so in this video we're gonna install WordPress in our domain name through cPanel. So first you have to type the URL and you have to type /cPanel in the end of your domain URL. So you gonna have this portal, this login page on your screen. So you have to put your username and password there. So we have to click login. So it's successfully logged in. So this is the dashboard of your cPanel. So in the sidebar you can see WordPress manager by software class, and you can also search here software class. So you can see in the third WordPress manager by software class. So we have many software in our cPanel, but for installing WordPress in our domain, in our subdomain, so we have to open the WordPress manager by software class. In the top you can see the install button, so you have to click on that. So the installing page is open. If you want to make a subdirectory, so you can put the directory name in this box, otherwise you can skip. In the left side you can see the site setting. There you can put the site name and site description on the left side. On the right side you can see the admin account where you can put your username and password. So we gonna set it on default, and in the end scroll down and you can see the install button, so you have to click on that, and now you can see it's installing. So okay, so congratulations, the software was installed successfully. And so you can see your domain URL, so you have to click on that. The URL you have clicked on, it will redirect to your dashboard directly. So now you can have a look on your dashboard. Hopefully your concepts has been clear. Thank you for watching the video.